It's no secret that humans are considered to be among the most intelligent creatures in the world. But have you ever wondered who else might be up there with us? Well, it turns out octopuses deserve to be mentioned in the same breath as humans when it comes to intelligence. From their problem-solving abilities to their long memories and incredible learning skills, these ocean dwellers truly are geniuses. And today we will show you why. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 10. Tool use. Octopuses are known for their intelligence, problem-solving skills, and adaptability. They have been observed using tools such as coconut shells for shelter and carrying around objects for various purposes. For example, an octopus can use a shell or rock as a weight to anchor itself in place while it rests. This behavior has been observed in several species of octopus, and it demonstrates their ability to use tools to meet their needs. Additionally, octopuses have also been seen using coconut shells as a portable shelter that they can carry around with them as they move from one location to another. This is particularly useful in areas where there are predators that prey on octopuses, and it allows them to have a safe space to retreat to when necessary. Overall, the ability of octopuses to use tools is a testament to their intelligence and adaptability, as well as their problem-solving skills. Number 9. Playful nature. If you've ever had the chance to observe an octopus in its natural habitat or in a well-designed aquarium exhibit, you may have noticed that it spends a lot of time exploring, investigating, and manipulating objects in its environment. This playful behavior is a sign of intelligence, as it shows that the octopus is curious about its surroundings and enjoys learning new things. Octopuses have been observed playing with objects such as balls, sponges, and even their own food. They will roll, push, pull, and investigate these objects just for fun. This kind of play behavior is not only entertaining to watch, but it also helps the octopus develop new skills and learn about its environment. It's like when a human child plays with toys and learns about the world around them through exploration and experimentation. By observing how an octopus plays, researchers can gain insight into its intelligence, problem-solving abilities, and overall cognitive abilities. 8. Excellent memory. The blue-ringed octopus has a remarkable memory that enables it to remember the location of its prey and avoid predators. In experiments, these octopuses have demonstrated an excellent ability to recall the location of food sources, which suggests that they possess a sophisticated spatial memory system. They are also capable of remembering the location of dangerous animals, such as sharks, and remembering where they were previously bitten by a sea snake. This remarkable memory serves as an important adaptation that helps them to survive in their natural habitat. Octopuses have been observed using visual landmarks to help them navigate and remember the locations of different places, such as their den or a good hunting ground. They can also use their sense of smell to track odors and remember the location of food sources. Overall, the octopus's excellent memory is a key factor in their survival and success as predators. Number 7. Escape artists. Octopuses are known to be escape artists, and they can squeeze through very small openings to free themselves from enclosures or predators. Their ability to escape from tanks or aquariums is legendary, and they have been known to break free from some of the most secure enclosures imaginable. An octopus's intelligence and problem-solving abilities allow them to figure out how to open jars, manipulate doors, and even break through aquarium glass. They are incredibly patient and persistent, and they will not give up until they are free. In one famous case, an octopus escaped from an aquarium in Austria by squeezing through a small opening in the wall. Another octopus escaped from an aquarium in New Zealand by turning off the lights and hiding in a dark area until it was feeding time. Then it opened the door to the aquarium and walked right out. These incredible feats of escape artistry are a testament to the octopus's intelligence, adaptability, and sheer determination. When faced with an obstacle, an octopus will not simply give up. Instead, it will think creatively and come up with a solution that works for it. This makes them truly remarkable creatures and a joy to observe. 6. Mimic octopus. As one of the smartest creatures in the ocean, the mimic octopus has the ability to change the shape of its body to resemble other animals. This amazing ability allows it to hunt, prey, and defend itself against predators. One way that the mimic octopus uses this ability is to copy the shape of a lionfish, which is a dangerous predator. This can fool potential prey into thinking that the mimic octopus is a harmless animal, allowing it to get close enough to strike. The mimic octopus can also use this ability to disguise itself as a sea snake, which is another dangerous creature that many animals avoid. This allows the mimic octopus to sneak up on its prey and eat it before it has a chance to react. The mimic octopus's intelligence and problem-solving abilities allow it to use these disguises effectively and catch a wide variety of prey. It is able to observe the behavior of other animals and learn how to imitate them, which makes it a highly adaptable and successful hunter. 5. Venomous. Despite their reputation for being slow-moving and sluggish creatures, octopuses are actually highly venomous animals that can pose a serious threat to humans. In fact, there are some species of octopus whose venom is so powerful that it can kill a person within minutes. Blue-ringed octopus is one of the most venomous creatures in the world, and its venom is extremely potent. Just a tiny amount of its venom can cause paralysis and death. Despite their small size, only about the size of a soda can, blue-ringed octopuses are deadly predators that can eat crabs, shrimp, and fish. Their venom is so powerful that there is no anti-venom for it, and their bite is almost impossible to feel. This means that if you are bitten by a blue-ringed octopus, you may not even realize that you have been poisoned until it's too late. Another octopus that is also considered to be highly venomous is the mimic octopus. As mentioned earlier, the mimic octopus is known for its ability to mimic other animals, and its venom is powerful enough to paralyze prey such as fish and crustaceans. While it is not typically aggressive towards humans, the mimic octopus can bite if provoked, and its venom can cause pain, swelling, and respiratory problems. 4. Shapeshifters. The mimic octopus is one of the few animals that can change its shape and texture to resemble other animals. This ability allows it to camouflage itself and ambush its prey. It can also use this ability to communicate with other octopuses. The mimic octopus has the ability to alter the shape of its body parts independently, allowing it to mimic the movements of other animals such as sea snakes, lionfish, and even jellyfish. This ability allows it to approach its prey undetected and deliver a quick strike. Additionally, the mimic octopus can change the color and texture of its skin to match the surroundings, making it even more difficult for predators and prey to detect it. This incredible ability is made possible by the specialized cells in the octopus's skin called chromatophores, which contain pigments that can be expanded or contracted to change the color and texture of the skin. The octopus can control these cells with its nervous system, allowing it to create a variety of patterns and textures on its skin. 3. Intelligent eyes. The eyes of an octopus are similar to those of humans and other vertebrates, which means that they are highly complex and capable of processing visual information. Unlike humans, however, octopuses have two eyes that are located on the top of their heads, which allows them to see in all directions at once. These eyes are also much larger than those of humans, which means that they can collect more light and see better in low light conditions. In addition to their large and versatile eyes, octopuses also have a specialized visual system that allows them to see polarized light. This ability allows them to detect the direction of light rays and use it to navigate and find their way back to their dens. Octopuses are also able to recognize shapes and patterns, which helps them to identify potential predators and determine if a human is approaching. This recognition ability allows them to react quickly and take evasive action if necessary. 2. Social intelligence. While octopuses are not typically thought of as social animals, they do exhibit some forms of social intelligence. Octopuses have been observed interacting with each other in a variety of ways, including courtship displays, aggressive behaviors, and even cooperative hunting. In some cases, octopuses have been observed playing with each other, which indicates a level of social playfulness. Octopuses also have the ability to recognize individuals, which is an important aspect of social intelligence. This allows them to remember previous interactions with other octopuses and adjust their behavior accordingly. Some studies have shown that octopuses are capable of recognizing themselves in mirrors, which is a sign of high intelligence. This ability allows them to assess their own body condition and make adjustments as needed. 1. Problem solvers. Octopuses are known to be highly intelligent creatures with a remarkable ability to solve problems. They have the capacity to learn and remember solutions to complex problems, which makes them one of the most adaptable and resourceful animals in the world. Octopuses are capable of solving mazes and puzzles that require them to use their intelligence and problem-solving abilities to find food or escape from danger. They are also able to learn from their experiences and use that knowledge to solve similar problems in the future. This ability to learn and adapt is essential to their survival in a constantly changing environment. For example, in one experiment, an octopus was placed in a maze with a piece of food at the end. At first, the octopus randomly explored the maze, but over time, it began to learn the optimal path to the food. Once it learned the solution, it was able to repeat it consistently, demonstrating its ability to solve problems and remember solutions. Another study showed that octopuses are capable of opening jars to obtain food. They observed how other octopuses or humans opened the jar and then used that knowledge to open the jar themselves. This ability to learn from others is a remarkable example of social intelligence in an octopus. Well, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed learning about the amazing abilities of octopuses, and we hope it has become clear that these creatures are truly some of the most intelligent and adaptable animals on the planet. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.